Welcome back to the Daily Bitcoin 5. 5 stories every day that matter to Bitcoin. Today on the Bitcoin 5, Senate Republicans drop updated Clarity Act with ethics provisions. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Bitcoin is trading at about $65,600, showing modest strength across short-term timeframes, with gains of 2.4% over 4 days and 3% over 4 weeks. The most telling metric remains the 4-year comparison, 189.2% since July 2022, underscoring Bitcoin's continued long-term trajectory despite recent consolidation. Story 5. Bermuda announces plan to put entire economy on-chain. The government of Bermuda announced live on Bloomberg that they plan to put their entire economy on-chain, representing one of the most ambitious national blockchain initiatives to date. The announcement signals Bermuda's continued push to position itself as a digital asset and blockchain innovation hub. While details remain limited from the initial announcement, the scope appears comprehensive rather than limited to specific government functions or pilot programs. Bermuda has previously established crypto-friendly regulatory frameworks and attracted blockchain companies to domicile there. Story 4. Alden defends hybrid Bitcoin, Treasury Strategy. Alden, co-founder of Orange Juice, explained why hybrid Bitcoin treasury strategies may outperform pure-play approaches during market cycles. The hybrid strategy gives us more optionality, Alden noted. Companies like MicroStrategy pioneered the pure-play treasury model, converting balance sheets aggressively into Bitcoin. Hybrid strategies maintain operating businesses that generate cash flow while systematically accumulating Bitcoin. The immediate context is this. The commentary comes as corporate Bitcoin adoption matures beyond simple buy and hold approaches. For Bitcoin, the signal is that corporate balance sheet adoption is becoming more deliberate, more liquid, and more institutional. Story 3. House passes Congressional insider trading ban. The US House officially passed legislation banning Congress members from insider trading, a move that could set the stage for crypto-focused bills like the Clarity Act. The bill prohibits spouses and children of Congress members from buying individual stocks, requires public notice before selling existing holdings, and imposes penalties of at least $2,000 or 10% of trade value plus disgorgement of gains. Notably, the legislation doesn't cover the president and administration officials, leaving that gap for other bills to address. Story 2. Institutional appetite for Bitcoin continues strengthening as spot Bitcoin ETFs purchased nearly $1 billion worth of Bitcoin over the past 6 trading days. The sustained buying spree signals renewed confidence from traditional finance players as Bitcoin consolidates in the mid-$60,000 range. This accumulation pattern mirrors behavior seen during previous institutional buying cycles, where large players use periods of relative price stability to build positions. The consistent inflows suggest institutions view current prices as attractive entry points rather than waiting for further pullbacks. Story 1. Senate Republicans drop updated Clarity Act with ethics provisions. Senate Republicans released updated text for the Clarity Act that includes sweeping ethics requirements for federal officials and crypto market structure reforms. The bill bans the president and covered officials from issuing or sponsoring digital assets for profit, requiring them to either sell existing crypto holdings or place them in a blind trust. Senator Cynthia Lummis publicly confirmed that President Trump has agreed to these terms. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.